Darke County is one of those under a level 2 snow emergency right now, and that has forced many businesses there to shut down or at least close early. And 2 News reporter Kristen Eskow is live tonight for us in Greenville with the latest on what's happening there. Kristen.
Well, Mark, you would routinely this evening see Greenville city plows coming through the downtown area and going over the streets here, but it's hard to tell that they've ever come through tonight if you look at how much snow is on the street. Now, the sheriff here in Darke County tells me streets all over the county look like this or even worse as plows have been coming through and the snow continues to fall pretty heavy. Also low visibility at times here throughout the county. Now tonight I spoke with some folks working here in Greenville who faced a rough evening commute home. As plows tried to make roads passable, some people in Greenville say this is some of the worst winter weather they've seen here in years.
I don't like it. I've done fallen once. I don't like it.
Christy Winan says it's been a quiet night at the gas station downtown where she works. She and her co-workers say they're grateful they're allowed to close 90 minutes early.
We both walk, so it's a little dangerous walking alleys and stuff. I mean, we live a couple blocks away, but still it's really dangerous and it's freezing temperatures.
Bath Petroleum, one of a handful of businesses in downtown Greenville operating Monday night. Made Right Sandwich Shop kept their drive-thru open, even though few cars were driving through.
We love our customers. We were usually open. I mean, if we can be open, we'll be open.
Monday's snowstorm, just the latest blow to small businesses trying to survive the pandemic. But the manager at Made Right tells me through the gray clouds and snow squalls, she sees a bright future for her community.
Hopefully everything does start turning around. I would like to think that, all of these small businesses will be okay. We have a great community that loves to support the small businesses, so hopefully everybody sticks together and continues the support.
And the Darke County Sheriff tells me deputies have responded to multiple slide-offs tonight, cars sliding off the road across the county. Fortunately, he tells me no injuries reported as of yet. Now, another positive note for Darke County, the sheriff tells me the county is not seeing as widespread of issues with utilities as some other parts of our area are seeing. For now, we're live in Greenville. Kristen Eskow, 2 News, working for you.
All right, Kristen, thank you.